Pewag tire chains for heavy equipment. These vehicle traction chains are made in the U.S., meet DOT legal requirements, and are designed for maximum traction. They're made from tough nickel-manganese alloy and are designed for quick and easy installation. Pewag tire chains last longer than low-quality imported twist chains due to superior link design. Additionally, they're manufactured in a facility that is ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified. Our customers use Pewag tire chains to provide maximum traction for heavy equipment on both off-road and highway surfaces. Pewag tire chains are available in manual tensioning methods, ladder chain patterns, single tire configuration, and star square link and star stud link profiles, and 5.6, 8.2, 10, and 12 mm diameters. Pewag tire chains are sold in pairs of 2. When it comes to tire chains for heavy equipment, Pewag tire chains are the choice for high traction and long service life. Shop Pewag tire chains at E-Rigging.com.